Casement window installation in New Orleans is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our expert casement window contractors in New Orleans provide top-notch window replacement services, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient casement windows available. Whether you're looking for vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, or wooden casement windows, our Casement Windows New Orleans team has the expertise to meet your needs. For those interested in custom casement windows, our New Orleans window professionals offer a wide range of casement window styles and designs to choose from. Our casement window suppliers in New Orleans provide high-quality materials that ensure durability and longevity. With our Custom Windows New Orleans services, you can personalize your window features to match your home's unique style. Casement window replacement is another essential service we offer in New Orleans. Our Window Replacement New Orleans team is skilled in addressing any issues with casement window hardware, including casement window locks, casement window hinges, and casement window screens. We ensure that your windows are functioning optimally and securely. Energy-efficient windows in New Orleans are crucial for reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Our energy-efficient casement windows New Orleans are designed to provide superior insulation, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. With our Window Upgrades New Orleans services, you can improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your carbon footprint. Casement window maintenance is vital for preserving the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window maintenance New Orleans services include regular inspections and replacements to keep your casement windows in top condition. We offer comprehensive casement window solutions to address any maintenance needs you may have. For those seeking window replacement services in New Orleans, our window companies New Orleans offer a variety of options to suit your preferences. From vinyl windows New Orleans to aluminum windows New Orleans, we provide a range of materials and styles to choose from. Our window experts New Orleans are dedicated to helping you find the perfect window solutions for your home. Casement window parts are essential for maintaining the functionality of your windows. Our Window Parts New Orleans services provide access to a wide selection of casement window components, including locks, hinges, and screens. We ensure that you have the necessary parts to keep your windows operating smoothly. Casement window upgrades are an excellent way to enhance your home's value and appeal. Our Window Upgrades New Orleans services offer a variety of options to improve your window's performance and aesthetics. Whether you're interested in new window designs New Orleans or advanced window hardware New Orleans, we have the solutions you need. Our Casement Windows New Orleans experts are committed to providing exceptional service and quality products. With years of experience in the industry, our window professionals in New Orleans are equipped to handle any casement window project, big or small. Trust our team to deliver the best casement window services in New Orleans.